How to edit clock on iOS 17. Let's get started. Swipe down from the left corner of your screen. Here we go. Now long press on your lock screen. At the bottom, you'll find the option of Customize. Tap on it. Now select Lock Screen. Tap on it. Now over here, you will find your clock. Now how to edit it? All you have to do is tap on it. With that, you're gonna get font and color options. You can choose any of the font of your choice. All you have to do is tap on it. Likewise, you can also select the color of your choice. Just scroll to the right. You can find different color options. At the very end, you can find this colorful option. You can tap on it. From here, you can set up the color for your clock. After you select it, you can go back. Tap on this globe icon. From here, you can select other languages as well. You can see that. Also, you will be able to add clock widget to your lock screen. You can tap on this option of add widget. Now just scroll down, find the option clock, tap on it, and here you're gonna find different clock options. You can choose any of these that is suitable for you. You can add a clock for a city to check the time at that location, or also you can view the time in multiple cities around the world. All you have to do is tap on it in this way, and with that it will be set in your lock screen. So this is how you can edit clock on iOS 17. After you edit it, you can tap on the option of done given at the top right corner. And with that, you are good to go. So this was all for this video. This is how you can edit clock on iOS 17. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.